Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix GeoGuessr app keeps stopping problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on GeoGuessr app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option on the top, and here clear the cache as well as clear data. Tap on this and now OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared. So the next step is close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and then tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top, and here search for GeoGuessr, and here you will see update button option. So tap on that to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this will help you. Thanks.